You want to continue stirring the chicken as it cooks. That way the tomato juices can mix with the hot sauce, and that'll further dilute the spiciness of the dish. Also, as you can see, the tomatoes are starting to break down. That is actually a good thing. And the onions and peppers, they're still crisp. And the chicken is very much covered by the flavor and the juice of these two. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, so let's check on our chili and cheese rice bake. And it started to brown a little on the sides, and the cheese is melted entirely over the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that aside and let it rest for 30 seconds to a minute before we cut it. And so what we're going to do then, once this chicken is done, maybe in about another 30 seconds, we're going to cut this, plate it, and pour this over the top.